Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk about another features that I have in BingX, so let's stay tuned. Of course, today's feature is all about the trading tools, how you want to trade in BingX. I think it's pretty simple and straightforward for beginners. So if you haven't registered an account, remember to use my referral link below so you can get a chance to win $100 from me. Random winners will be announced shortly. And of course, you can participate some of the rewards events that I'm putting out, up to $800. So if you haven't actually watched the video yet, I'll put down the link below. Also, I'll put somewhere around up there here, so you guys can watch back the video and how to claim all this USDT. Big money, easy money. Okay, so coming back to here, BingX. BingX, they offers tons of things here. You can see that I mentioned before, buy crypto, you can actually use fiat to buy cryptos, or you can use your Visa or MasterCard to buy cryptos. So when you buy cryptos, you can actually use that crypto like USDT to purchase some tokens here. For example, spot. Spot trading is a place for you to purchase tokens. And usually when you purchase tokens, you will actually keep it for a longer term. For example, like me, recently I just bought DYOR. So what I do is I have some USDT, I just click a limit order and I set the price that I want and the amount of DYOR that I want to purchase and the amount of USDT, and I click purchase. So when it hits the target, then I'll be filling my bags with DYOR. Basically a swapping from USDT to DYOR. I'll be keeping DYOR and put it somewhere in the exchange or put it somewhere in the cold wallet or hot wallet. To wait for it. One day the price will go up because I believe in the tokens. Alright, so very simple here. I think the tools are here quite straightforward. The order books are here where you see there are people are buying or selling. There is the buying tools here, buying or selling tools here. There's a limit market and TP and SL, stuff like that. So if you click on market, right? Market means whatever is available here or here, you put in your amount that you want to purchase, then you'll buy up whatever is available here or available here. Buy up means you are using up the seller order because you are buying from the seller. Sell order means you are selling to the buyers. So whatever is available here, then I will just purchase it automatically. The system will just calculate and purchase everything here. And for limit order is where I want to use this when I want to purchase it at a certain price. For example, if you want to purchase Bitcoin at 25,000, so I just set 25,000 here, the amount of Bitcoin that I want to purchase, the amount of USDT, and click buy. Then the position will actually comes into the open order, waiting up to be filled. Don't know when, because we don't know when it's going to be rising all the way down to 25,000, right? So when the moment it raise all the way down or drop all the way down to 25,000, then my bag will be filled. That will be holding 25,000 worth of Bitcoin. Probably if I buy one BTC, then it will be 25,000 worth. Then from there, I'll just keep hoping that the price could go even higher and higher. So spot is like this, okay? Where the purpose of spot is when you think that you feel like this coin is worth buying to keep, then you buy and keep. There's no risk because the coins are forever with you. Just matter of the coins got value or no value, that is very depending on which coin you buy. And coming back to here, the tools are here quite simple. You know, the trading chart here, the tools are here, the time frame are here, simple. In the indicators that you can use, I think the candlestick, everything is complete here. Super complete. All right. So if you want to buy tokens, you want to trade tokens with leverage, then you will have to go to derivative, perpetual swap, perpetual futures, or standard futures. Standard futures are usually for easy beginners to use, but I'll be using this because I think the tools are quite complete. It's quite similar to spot. And something good about this is you can actually change it to live or demo account. This is good when you want to try out the platform first, because some platform might suit you, some platform might not. But for this case, they give you a demo trading account where you can test out the platform whether you like it or not. As usual, you can see here, there's a limit here, there's a market here, there's a trigger order here, trading stop, and also post only. So things are quite complete for this side. And if you want to trade, of course, there's a difference here where you can put up leverage. If you are clicking limit order, then it's exactly the same. But here you can change your margin from BTC to USDT. Usually I will use USDT prefer because it's much more easier for me to calculate how much margin that I'm putting and how much leverage that I'm inserting. I actually talked about this futures trading somewhere in my video before. If I can find it back, I'll put it here so you guys can actually watch how to trade futures like pro easily. All right, I think the last one is grid trading. Before I talk about grid trading, I think like I mentioned again one more time, copy trading in BingX is one of the best tools or best wave method that you can use as a beginner or as a people who like me are quite busy, no time to trade. Definitely I will look into this copy trading. You can even become one of the elite traders here in BingX by just clicking here. As you can see here, I think I've done one video before previously a few days ago. You can see there are tons of traders that you can copy. You don't need to become a pro trader. Instead, you just copy somebody trades, which they are pro, because you can actually see their performance and stuff like that before even you go copying. All right, last but not least, grid trading. Grid trading is good for experienced traders who wants to do grid trading that support futures grid, spot grid, and spot infinity grid. Grid is like like a staircase where you want to put a lot of orders in different pricing, buy or sell. When the price touches the pricing, it buy. When it touches the order, it sells. Touches the buy orders, it buys, something like that. So it's like a staircase with a lot of orders. So this is quite useful for experienced traders who want to do grid tradings. Okay, so I think that's all for today's episode. Remember again to watch back my previous video if you haven't watched how to claim the rewards, BingX rewards. In my previous video, there's a lot of events. Again, I said a lot of events. Even I myself also are putting out the events here, $100 here to claim, random winner, whoever sign up using my referral and do KYC. Okay, if you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.